Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shlokam 78, 79, 80. Suda Uvacha Idi Tadvajanam Shrutva Vismayam Paramam Gata Bhakti Ruche Vacho Bhuyaka Shruyadam Tacha Shaunaka. Suta Muni Uvaja said, Iti Tat Vajanam Shrutva. Iti. In this Tad, Narada Muni's Vachanam, words, Shrutva, heard. Iti Tat Vajanam Shrutva. In this way, Devi, who is the Bhakti Devi, listened to all the speech of Narada Muni. Vismayam Paramam Gada. Vismayam means very much surprised. Paramam, the Bhagavan. Gata means followed. Vismayam Paramam Gada. That means after following the words of Narada Muni, the Bhakti Devi became extremely surprised. Bhakti Ruche Vajo Bhuyaka. Bhakti Ruche. So, Bhakti again, Vajo said the following words, Bhuyaha to Narada Muni. Shruyadam Tacha Shaunaga. Shruyadam, listen to them. Tacha. In this way, Shaunaka Muni. So, now Suta Muni is explaining everything to the Shaunaka Muni, in which Shaunaka Muni asked a lots of questions. So, in Suta Muni's explanation, this Bhakti Devi and Narada Muni are conversing to each other. So, Suta Muni told that Idi tad vajanam shrutva vismayam paramam gata bhakti ruche vajo bhuyaga shruyadam tacha shaunaka. Being extremely surprised to hear this speech of Narada, Bhakti again addressed the following words to him. Then the Suta Muni is telling, Oh Shaunaka, please listen to them. Bhakti ruvaja Surarche tvam hi dhanyosi madbhagyena samagataha sadhunam darshanam loke sarvasiddhikaram param. Surarshe tvam hi dhanyosi. Surarshe. Sura means the all the gods. Surarshe means the heavenly sage, the Narada Muni. Tvam, you, he, are, dhanyosi, very much blessed. Surashe tvam hi dhanyosi. O heavenly sage, you are certainly blessed. Mad bhagyena samagadaha. Mad means not. Bhagyena. Bhagyam means the luck. Samagadaha, have come. Agada means come. Samagada means have come. Mad bhagyena samagadaha means it is my sheer luck that you have come. Sadhunam darshanam loke. Sadhuna means the saintly person. Darshanam, the sight of them. Loke, in this world. Sadhunam, the sadhunam darshanam loke means it is very difficult to see the righteous, saintly person in this world. Sarva siddhikaram param. Sarva means all. Siddhikaram means attainment. Param, everything. Loke sarva siddhikaram param means attainment of all the things in the world. Surashe tvam hi dhanyosi madbhagyena samagadaha sadhunam darshanam loke sarva siddhikaram param. So now Bhakti Devi is telling that to Narada Muni, O heavenly sage, you are certainly blessed by your saintliness, your purity. It is my sheer luck that you have come. The very sight of the righteous person is highly conducive to the attainment of all things in the world. When you see a good person, saintly person itself, that will bring us luck, that will give us all the things that we required, that we are targeting. So Now the Bhakti Devi is so happy. Jayadi Jayadi Mayam Yasya Kayadavaste Vajana Rajana Mekam Kevalam Chakaraya Dhruva Padam Apiyato Yat Kripato Dhruvoyam Sakala Kushala Patram Brahmaputram Natasmi. Jayati Jagati Mayam Yasya Kayadavaste. Jayadi means I am giving you my always winning vibes. And Jagati means this world. Mayam means illusion. Yasya, in this way. Kayadha vaste. Kayadha avaste means this body of the Bhagavan who has given me this body as Bhakti Devi, that kind of situation. Vachana Rachana Mekam Kevalam Chakalaya. Vachana means words. Rachana means one who is construction. Ekam, only one. Kevalam, just like that. Chakalaya, that means understanding. Vachana Rachana Mekam Kevalam Chakalaya means understanding whose only one word construction, taking the name of God, who is like Prahlada. When the Prahlada is the son of Kayadu and the Prahlada's father is the Hiranyakashipu. So when the Prahlada was inside the Kayadu's womb, the Narada Muni was the person who was telling about one word, that is Bhagavan Vishnu, and he was telling all the good things, all the namams, everything. The Prahlada became the devotee or true devotee of Vishnu even inside the womb of Kayadu. So the power of Narada Muni is that even before the creation of any kid, Narada Muni has the power to influence them in a very good way. Dhruva Padam Apiyato Yat Kripado Dhruvoyam. For the Dhruva, who is the son of Uttanapada, when the father did not allow him to sit on his lap, and when he was neglected by his father, his mother, Dhruva's mother, Suruchi, and Suniti. Those are the two wives of Uttanapada. And Suruchi is the first wife, who is king is very fond of her. But Suniti is the mother of Dhruva. And Suniti told the Dhruva that, who is just 5 years, please do not feel bad. When you are neglected by your father, go to the Bhagavan Vishnu, who will always accept all your sadness, and he will bless you with ultimate happiness. He will take you to his lap and will be seated there forever. So at that time, Dhruva left the palace and went out to the forest to do the yagam dharma, the yagam for Vishnu Bhagavan. At that time, this Narada Muni is the power who advised Dhruva to say the this mantra, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And the Dhruva, at the age of 5, he did the tapas, like the meditation with that mantra without any food. The food will be just dry leaves, and it will be just for 1 week he will just eat one fruit. So he was doing that much devotion to Bhagavan. He was blessed with a world itself called Dhruvalokam. That much power is Narada Muni has to give advice to a 5-year-old kid to attain the world that nobody else had attained it yet at that age. So Sakala Kushala Patram Brahmaputram Natasmi. Sakala Kushala Patra. Sakala means everything. Kushala Patram means everything that grasping, blessings, understanding, everything is together in Narada Muni. Brahmaputram. Narada is the son of one of the Trimurtis, Brahma Bhagavan. So Brahma's putra is Narada Muni. And Natasmi means I am bowing my head towards you. So Jayadi Jayadi जयति जगति मायां यस्य कायाधवस्ते वजनरजनमेकं केवलं चाकलय्य ध्रुवपदम् अपि यातो यत्कृपादो ध्रुवोऽयं सकलकुशलपात्रं ब्रह्मपुत्रं नतास्मि. I bow to that son of Brahma who is the receptacle and support to all the auspicious blessings, graspings, understanding, whose only one word construction is taking the name of God Vishnu. And you can see always Narada Muni will be telling Narayana, Narayana with his Veena around him. And Prahlada, the son of Kayadi, is transcended to the deluding Maya power by the Narada Muni. And through Narada Muni's grace, Dhruva, the son of Uttanapada, attained to the eternal abode and got moksha. So that much power is the Narada Muni, and I am giving respect to you, says the Bhakti Devi. So here it is the end of the first Adhyayam in Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmyam. Idi Shri Padma Purane Uttarakande Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmye Bhakti Narada Samagamo Nama Pradhamo Adhyayaha. That means Idi, in this way, Shri, that is the Lakshmi Devi, Padma Purane. This part is explained in the Padma Puranam. Uttarakante, where you can, it's divided into different levels, and one of the level is Uttarakhandam. Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmye. This is about, it is not at the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is the Mahatmyam, that is the glories of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhakti Narada Samagamo. Bhakti is the Bhakti Devi. Narada is the Narada Muni. Samagamo means their meeting and conversation. Nama, in the name. Prathama Adhyayaka. Prathama means one. Adhyayam means chapter. So here ends the first chapter in Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmyam. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंदा गोविंदा नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते. Thank you.